This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200 MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, awning, air conditioning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, microwave, TV, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200 MK is 4,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.